It's Miss Young here at the Uniondale Public Library, and today we're going to do our seasonal craft for the month of January. So what you're going to need is a pine cone. You're going to have 2 pieces of cardstock, some feathers, cotton balls, a little bit of glue, a cotton swab, and a pencil. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your cotton ball and pull it apart nice and slow. Stretch it out. If some pieces rip, it's okay, because we're going to use these pieces to create the snow for the snowy owl, and we're going to stick them in the creases of the pine cone. Okay, so you could take a little bit and stuff it in gently. If you want, you could use the hard end of your swab to stick it in. You don't need glue for this part. You just slowly stuff the cotton in between the cracks of the pine cone. So I'm going to finish this and I'll be right back to show you the next step. Welcome back. I have the cotton inside the cracks of the the pine cone. So what I'm going to do now is glue on the feathers, and the feathers are going to act as wings for my owl. So you're going to use the cotton side of the swab to get a little bit of glue onto the feathers, and you could place them however you want. I'm going to place mine a little bit high because my feathers are a little long. All right. Okay, so I got those. Now I'm going to do the others. All you need is a little glue, and it dries clear, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, so while your owl is drying, you're going to take time now to use the cardstock. The white cardstock is for the eyes, and the orange are for the feet and the beak. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace or create your own shapes for your eyes and for the beak and for the feet. Then we're going to cut it out and we're going to glue it onto our owls. So I'm going to come back with that and I'm going to show you the finished product. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. How are you? All right, so now my owl has wings. So now I'm going to glue on the eyes and the beak and the feet. So all you need is a little dab of glue. Little dab of glue. Press it gently because the pine cone can be delicate and you don't really want to crack it. I made triangles for the beak and the feet. I wanted to keep it simple. Now I'm onto the feet. And there you have it, your snowy owl. Thank you for signing up and participating in our seasonal crafts. Please go to our website to look for upcoming crafts. Don't forget we're still open to contact services. And hopefully when we open again, I'll see you in. Bye-bye.